Ano kaya ang magandang negosyo ngayong 2025? Papasok na ang last quarter. Kailangan nating mag-research at maghanap-hanap kung ano ang magandang opportunity. Ganyan ba kayo, mga kasama? Now, if you are interested in looking for a good business opportunity this coming 2025, at ngayon nga po ay papasok na ang last quarter of 2024, it's time for you to do your research. It's time for you to know more about the different business opportunities na pwede po ninyong pasukin, di po ba? Well, I would like to invite you to consider ang laundry business sa Pilipinas. Yan. So kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng potential business opportunity na papasukin nyo ngayong 2025, this might be it. At para po matutunan nyo what's in store for you in the laundry business, I invite you to come and join me in my Pera sa Labada seminar. Alright? So tomorrow po, meron akong nakaschedule September 28. It's a live My Pera sa Labada seminar na kung saan atin po pag-uusapan ang mga bagay-bagay na kailangan nyong malaman in setting up a profitable professional laundry shop business dito sa Pilipinas that will offer more than wash, dry, and fold services. Alright? So lahat po yan pag-uusapan natin, from how to look for the right location, how to design your shop, how to work with the right contractor, how to choose the right machines, and how to install your machines professionally. And of course, yung lagi pong tinatanong, how much? Magkano po ba mag-set up? At ano nga ba ang return of investment period dito sa laundry business? Yan po lahat pag-uusapan natin sa My Pera sa Labada live. So sana po magkita-kita tayo tomorrow. To join us, just go to the link na nakikita nyo po dito at magkita-kita tayo sa Green Hills San Juan, ELS Philippines Conference Room, Goldland Tower, at dyan lang po yan sa may Eisenhower Street, katabi po ng Club Filipino. So if you are available tomorrow, come and join us. Go to the link na nakikita nyo po dito sa post, mag-register na at magkita-kita tayo bukas sa My Pera sa Labada.